morning, sir, madam. My name is Charity Lizano, age 23 years old. I live in Barangay Cargangan, Haniway, Iloilo, Philippines. I'm single. I graduated at the University of San Agustin at the year of 2011. BA Psychology graduate. I served my niece at the age of 7. My duties and obligation are to work hard. I do housework such as cleaning, washing, ironing clothes, washing dishes, and all the household chores. I can cook Filipino dishes and willing to learn more dishes, especially simple Chinese food. To my future employer, I promise my reason to learn, and my reason to going to Hong Kong is to help my family. To my future employer, I promise to finish my 2 years contract the best I can. Thank you.
Okay, how do you say your name? I don't move.
Charity Lizano.
Okay, Charity. This is the first time to work abroad.
Yes.
Okay. First time to be away from your family.
Yes.
So do you think you can manage?
Yes. I try my best.
Hi, don't try. You have to do your best.
Yes, I do my best.
Do you think you will not feel homesick?
I feel homesick, but I try.
Okay, do your best to overcome.
Yes,
to overcome homesickness.
Yes.
And if ever you feel homesick, what are you going to do?
I cry.
What?
But
no. Make yourself busy with your work.
Yes,
okay? Because
I work hard.
Of course, no crying.
Yes.
You have to prepare yourself. You
Yes.
have to ready yourself to be away from family. Okay. So, what can you do best as a housemaid? Can tell us.
I do all the household.
You can do household chores. Like what?
Cleaning the house. And everything that my employer.
Are you sure? Okay, so you can clean the house. You can wash, iron clothes.
Yes.
You know how to use washing machine?
Yes.
You know how to iron clothes?
Yes.
Okay, but maybe you need to improve more. Or you need also to follow whatever employer's instruction regarding specific tasks given to you. Okay, how about taking care of children? Can you?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any experience?
Yes, in the house, ma'am.
Your niece, nephew?
Yes.
Okay, in case in Hong Kong the children to take her, are you willing?
Yes.
How old is the child you prefer?
From newborn.
Even newborn, are you
Yes.
sure? Maybe with the employer.
In the house. My niece is newborn.
From birth. So you're also willing to take it. But maybe in Hong Kong you can with employer supervision, no?
Yes.
How about cooking? How good are you?
I'm poor good.
So you try to improve. You try to learn. Learn more, Practice cooking.
Yes.
But you did cooking in your house.
Yes.
Simple one only. But which do you prefer? Caring children or cooking?
Caring children.
Caring children, okay. And how about other household chores like gardening?
Yes.
You can also
Yes, ma'am.
car wash.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what more your employer can expect from you if ever they will hire you?
I will follow their instructions no matter what it is, and if ever I could make mistakes, I will accept them and I will say sorry.
Of course, and must inform employer, and must not do the mistake again,
Yes.
and need to improve.
Yes.
Okay, you can promise that.
Yes, ma'am, I can promise.
Good luck to you.